bunnies, it's your girl Clarece Evette. I'm back with another video. I know it's been a long time,
too long,
but I am back with another video. You guys, there's been so much going on, and then this coronavirus, you know, just crazy. But I don't want to talk about that. I just want to go ahead and get into the video because you guys have been waiting a very long time.
those that have been asking
For videos. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this video, and at the end of this video I have a DIY project that you guys might like, so you guys stay tuned. If you do like more videos like this and want to see, if you do like videos like this and want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell to see when I upload videos, and comment down below if you think you would do something a little different than what I did with the DIY project. Okay, so one of the first items I got was a gold trash can. I'm gonna use it for my office, which is white and gold. I thought it was really pretty. Then I have this glass lamp. I thought it was really pretty for my living room as well, with the silver. A silver pillow, just, you know, something decorative for my living room. I have this tray and glass that I found. I was so excited about it because it reminded me of a Pinterest item. So this would be part of the DIY decor. And then I have some little pieces that I got. So like I was saying, I was showing you the bag. Here's the price. Everything that I got that day was 50% off. So the first thing I did was, you know, of course, clean it. My idea was to spray it white on the sides and then put this contact paper down for the top and put the glass on. I didn't like the way it looked, so I spray painted it silver. I cleaned the glass part, and I was like kind of worried because the white pieces wasn't coming off and the numbers. I was like, no. So, but anyway, I ended up scratching it and like the little pieces and stuff, and it ended up coming off. I used my nail. The tray still was not dry, so I decided to go ahead and wipe down the candle holder and the candle, and I just wanted to glue it onto the candle holder, glue the candle onto the candle holder so it could be, you know, secure a little bit. I don't know what I was thinking because of the hot glue, and the candle is wax, so it was gonna melt. So I had a hard time doing that, but eventually I let it sit for a little while and it worked perfectly. So I got inside and it finally was done, of course, and I wanted to put some jewels on the side, as you can see, which was really easy. It was really, this is a really simple project, honestly. And so I just hot glued it to the sides, did it a few spaces apart, and I'm using it for my living room tray floor. I saw this on Pinterest and I forgot where, like who posted it, but I seen it, and so it's a Pinterest inspired floor tray is the way I'm using it. So I just spray painted inside as well, and I wanted to do another decor with the Chanel book cover. I thought that was hilarious, but I'm gonna change that up, and I just want to show you guys the project. So I hope you all like it. If you do, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below. Like I said, if you would do anything differently, if you add more jewels, I'm thinking about doing that. Thanks for watching. See you, honey bunnies.